Today I will show how to put a stillet in the endotracheal tube. You can see now this is the endotracheal tube, this is a sterile tube. So we have teared it off and then taken it out. We should handle the endotracheal tube in a sterile way by putting the gloves. Now the stillet is put into the case of difficulty or anticipated difficult intubations. So it is a very basic technique otherwise, but I have noticed that many times your assistant or your residents don't know how to until what depth the stillet should go. So when you are taking out this endotracheal tube, so keep it in one hand and ask your assistant to hold the endotracheal tube and take out the stillet, put the jelly over this like this. You can use the lignocaine jelly or the lubricating jelly. Better if it is a lubricating jelly. Then from the patient end, put this stillet like this into the endotracheal tube, and it should come up to the Murphy's eye. You can see here, this is the Murphy's eye up to here, or into the this bevel at the end of the bevel, and then lock it. This is called locking, like this, so that it is easier to take it out when the tube is inserted. After that, make a hockey stick like this, because this will match with the like this. This will match with the curvature of the oral cavity to the glottis, to the endotrachea. So this is the way you should put it, and the stillet into the endotracheal tube. Once the tube is inside, just take it out from this locket like this. It will come like this. That's all. Thank you.